fermentation box. We recommend it.
Yes, man.
Put these valves here to provide more heat inside of the box. Yeah.
So you already wait.
This now here, see, we have the banana leaf under that, and then the cocoa beans underneath the thing. You get the smell of it?
Yeah,
The rich
boy.
fruit is right.
Yes, yes.
Right. So here we have this here we have is our thermometer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which we put into the cocoa, and we leave it to get it temperature.
So it will be melted back down to that. Once it melts down, then you put it on the motor and it churns it.
Yeah.
And this is where it starts the tempering process. Tempering is where the crystals are formed, and you're looking for a certain crystal, which is crystal number 5, where you get both the snap and the shine of your chocolate. So when you take a bar and you break it, you hear that snap, you know your chocolate is good. When you watch the chocolate and you see it's glossy, no holes, no white streaks and stuff, you know that your chocolate is well tempered.
Yeah.
Alright? So when this started churning, the first thing you need to look at is this side, especially the left side, will be higher than the right side. So the chocolate started tilt.
Yeah.
So once that has been accomplished, now you would start to go through the process of testing the chocolate, which is called the knife test. So you dip your spatula in and you put it under the AC to dry. So you would look at it. We took this a while when we was inside. So you look at it, see if there's any white in it, if there's any streaks. This kind of looking good, but if when you press the knife against it and it's soft, you ain't hear no snap, it's going through easy. Your chocolate is not ready. You need to let that run some more.
Oh,
Right?
it was
But once you
fancy.
press the knife against that and you hear packs,
Yeah.
your chocolate is ready to be molded. Then you take up your molds and them, take your scoops for each section,
yeah.
and then you scrape any excess back into the machine, and then you actually have to bang it hard against the tabletop
Yeah.
to remove any air bubbles. Because if you don't, there will be a lot of holes in your chocolate when it's done.
Yeah.
When you finish that, you put it back under the AC on the rack to harden. Sometimes while you're waiting for it to harden, you hear certain sounds like when you take out an ice tray from the freezer and you wet it, you hear certain sounds like that. You know that your chocolate is leaving the side of the tray, so it's just letting go. After a while, you then carry it over to your table, you spread a greaseproof paper and you
package it.
you turn it over and then you twist and let it fall out. You don't want to twist here and then when you turn over, your chocolate falls and breaks.
Break apart, yeah.
So you only twist when you close your greaseproof paper. And then you hand wrap it, as I was mentioning, everything is artisan. You hand wrap and package your chocolate.
Alright, sounds fun.
It's a wonderful process. Sometimes it takes a long while, sometimes within 4 hours your chocolate is ready to be molded. And then there are days when you have to be fighting your whole day. And nothing, because yesterday I came in late, I was here yesterday.
Yeah.
I went out and when I came they were fighting with this chocolate and it didn't come in. They were getting the snap and the chocolate had some white streaks, so it was not ready up to the time 7 o'clock that they left last time. So this will be
Coming
trying
back
the
and
next
then
day.
trying it again.
Monday
Yeah.
and Wednesday is our production day, so
Yeah.
if please go, they will try again. We have some stocks there, so if there's time when we need a larger thing, we'll put in some extra days.
And as you mentioned that, you're talking about the passion of making chocolate as well too, you know? And
Yeah.
that's what you see a lot, you know? In the
Yeah,
industry.
so it's a wonderful thing. I enjoy doing it.